How to buy WAEC scratch card on Opay. So if you want to buy WAEC scratch card on your Opay, then just watch this video. You can get your WAEC result checker pin on your Opay. So basically, you have to log into your Opay app and you must be having about 3,500 Naira on it as balance. So you have to click on the more section, which will be right here. Then you'll have an option of school and exam. Tap on it, and once you tap on school and exam, you will find WAEC option. You may also have NECO or JANB. You need to go and select WAEC. After that, you need to enter the service type, which is result checker pin. Then you need to go with the amount and then your phone number and your network operator. You have to enter your registered phone number and then proceed to payment. Once you confirm the purchase, as they will basically going to charge you 3,450 Naira for this purchase. So all you have to do is just simply click on confirm purchase and the purchase is going to be successful. Once it has been successful, you're going to get the pin. Make sure to take a screenshot of this next page. That's how you can buy a WAEC scratch card on your Opay. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.